You got this. Stay recording. The date is January 20th. 1 day post snowstorm Harpor. We are currently stuck in... Where are we stuck? Oh, Belafonte. We're currently stuck in Belafonte, Ohio, and we're gonna go try to get the car out. Last night it snowed. What? How many? Like 20 feet or something?
20 feet. No.
Crazy. It was a lot of snow.
It was like maybe 8 inches.
Lives were lost. Okay.
Lives were not lost.
Lives were lost, and we are out here.
The only life was lost was Skippy.
Right. Oh, show the vlog. This is essential when you're in a snowstorm. Right here.
And we were tubing in line.
Anyways, we're gonna go try to get the car out and then possibly get some snow shots with the drone. Who's that? What are we about to do? Oh no. About to get those cars. Get them drones. Get the drone. Hey, look, there's the castle. I'm gonna fly my drone at the castle.
Wait, did you actually fly your drone at the castle?
I wanted to. After looking around, we found this spot called the Makachi Castle. There, somewhere over there. It's cool. GoPro kept turning off though. I don't know why. I think it's too cold or something. Ash! What's the Degris?
Like -10 with wind chill.
-10 with wind chill. But yeah, this is tight. I keep wanting to call it Hurricane Harpor. I know it's not a hurricane, but I keep wanting to call it that. Alright, I'm gonna fly a couple more packs, hopefully. And then, yeah, this has been dope. Just ate the Waffly House. So while we were leaving, I had a little cough, and the cough kind of like snuck a fart out.
Oh wow, you're that close to your followers, huh?
I just keep it real. And I thought I pooped myself, but it was just an unplanned cough, which feels a lot like a poop.
Hey,
Who plans the cough?
You know, you know, you're gonna do it. When it's like a cut, it's just like, oh shoot, something came out. But all right, we're heading back home now. Hurricane Harpor has done his damage. I keep calling it hurricane, all right? It's dang Hurricane Harpor. I know it's
hurricane.
What do you call it? What's the proper Snowstorm Harpor.
Blizzard. No, it's snowstorm.
Snowstorm Harpor has recently just been a lot of people don't know Harpor's from Connecticut. Harpor. So we're heading home. We're gonna clean. We're just gonna clean, and I gotta finish up work, and then when I'm done with work, I could actually do me time more. Us time. All of us. Till then, like, subscribe, bell. See you guys later.